Right. Yes, hello guys. By the way, the most strange thing that happened first over here is that I didn't have a clue about this freaking crowd until I know that it's Republic Day. और ये सुनने के बाद अब तक तो आपको पता चल चुका होगा that how bright is my vlogging future. Yes, फिर भी बेशर्मों की तरह I'm sitting here and trying to move on with this video because like I just once heard जो करे शर्म उसके फूटे करम. And I know no matter how hard I try, I can never be you. Yeah, so Sunil Dutt बनना जरूरी तो नहीं है ना. I mean it's okay to be Sanjay Dutt. Yeah, anyways guys, let's get back to the main video. White, black in my color. We don't fruit stick, right? Yes. Carry on. Dogichi, chorde gonu pugyo. Come here. That's it, come here, try to come here. Yes. I'm saying as if she could hear me. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so guys, वैसे तो the time that we have is unlimited, but like according to the plan, we had already decided that like we are going to have a lunch at a Vega Center Mall. So yeah, here we go. Yeah guys, we're back in Vega Mall. By the way, guys, like most of the time when I got you over here in the Mega Mall in previous videos, it was always in the evening. Yeah, and I always compliment this place for its lighting. Yeah, but at the daytime, how does it look? Like, I just leave it up to you to decide. Here only, let's go now.
You go, we will wait here.
You guys don't want to go? This yeah. There is. There to get. Sorry. We were in City Mall. And then now we are in Vega Mall. So outside the weather is very hot. And very garam boy, so that's why I'm getting fresh. त्यो माथि आज अलिकति छिटो उठ्यो नि त म तपाईँकोमा नि किट्स छैन ल किट्स अब केआइटिएस किट्स सामान राखिदिन्छ नि त्यो फर इक्जाम्पल पेन पेन्सिल जिप भएको हुन्छ त्यो तपाईँले जिप भएको हुन्छ नि वेयर यु क्यान पुट ठुलो तर यत्रो साइजमा हुन्छ सो जिप ओपन गरेर यु क्यान किप लाइक पेन 가장 지금 여행 봐. 어디 온다 띵인데. 띵인데도. 칼을 뭐 저거든. 가장 진짜 점을 주는 거지. 게임도 있어.
Sure to like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. So fun and games.
나 아니 जैसे जे खा दे ओरे 얼지
튀김에. 자. 올라.
미니 잡았다고요? We are now getting down. We were in the, I think we were on the top floor. Maybe I think Abu Yavarji, I mean, we'll go back to home, huh? Yeah, anyways guys, I think this is the last clip of the video for today. Yeah, so this is the ending. Yeah, and yes, I hope you guys were also there with me from at the beginning to the end of this video. Yeah, anyways guys, like this is Pepsi, right? But like apart from that, like I just want to say that this is Pepsi and your brother is sexy.